Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate-covered strawberries the right way. First, choose ripe, firm strawberries that are free of blemishes. It's crucial to wash them gently and then dry them completely with paper towels. Any moisture will prevent the chocolate from sticking. Next, prepare your chocolate. You can use milk, dark, or white chocolate, depending on your preference. Having everything ready before you start dipping makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's melt the chocolate. The best methods are using a double boiler or carefully heating it in the microwave. If using a microwave, heat in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each, until it's mostly melted. Continue stirring off the heat until completely smooth. This gentle approach prevents the chocolate from burning or seizing, ensuring a beautiful, glossy finish for your strawberries. A consistent texture is key for easy dipping. With your chocolate perfectly melted, it's time to dip. Hold each strawberry by its stem and submerge it into the chocolate, leaving a small portion of the red berry visible at the top. Gently tap the strawberry against the side of the bowl to remove any excess chocolate. Place the dipped strawberries onto a sheet of parchment paper. If you're adding sprinkles, nuts, or a contrasting chocolate drizzle, do it now while the chocolate is still wet and tacky. Once dipped and decorated, place your chocolate-covered strawberries in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes to allow the chocolate to fully set. This ensures a firm, non-sticky coating. For storage, keep them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They are best enjoyed within 1 to 2 days for peak freshness and flavor. These delightful treats are perfect for any occasion and always a crowd pleaser.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.